Let's talk about clauses of purpose in English. Full infinitive is commonly used to express purpose. We can also use in order to and so as to. In order to and so as to are more emphatic and also more formal. We cannot use the full infinitive with a subject different from that of the main verb. Instead, we can use so that, in order that. Clauses of purpose are introduced with so that, in order that in the following way. So that plus will / can / present tense, in order that plus would / could past tense. Examples: wake him up early so that he catches / he'll catch the first bus. We bought more food so that we would have enough for the extra guests. More examples: so that plus may / might, in order that plus shall / should. The president left early so that he should not be late for his next meeting. We use so that rather than the infinitive structure when the main and the subordinate clause have different subjects. Kate left some salad so that James could eat it later. Negative purpose can be expressed with so as not to plus infinitive, only when the subject of the verb is also the subject of the infinitive. We are staying in this weekend so not to spend any money, for example. So that plus won't / can't / present tense. So that plus wouldn't / couldn't. They've locked the gates so that we can't / don't get in. He left an hour ago so that he wouldn't be caught in traffic. You can subscribe to us here on YouTube for more interesting content. Also, you can follow all our other social media shown on the screen. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.